comparison between the One UI 6.1 and One UI 7 beta. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and this is the Samsung S24 Ultra. First let's see the Samsung Z Fold 5 running the software. Here you can see the software update, One UI version 6.1.1, Android version 14, and this is the Samsung S24 Ultra. And check for the software update, go to settings. Here you can see software update, tap on the last update, and here you can see the One UI 7 beta, One UI version 7.0, Android version 15, 16 December, last successful update. Let's see the difference between these. First of all, open the recent application. In One UI 7 you can see this type of recent application style. Quite looks amazing compared to the simple One UI 6.1. This is the One UI 6.1. This is One UI 7 beta. Now second, swipe down the notification panel from the top. Here you can see the One UI 6.1 notification style. In One UI 7 beta you can see this type of notification style. So quite easy. In One UI 7 you can also access both notification and quick setting tiles using the panel setting. So select the together option and you can access both notification and quick setting tile like this. Third, you can see the new clock style. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen wallpaper on both device. Now tap the clock style. Now here you can see change the UI menu. Here you can see the font and color option and font clock style, different clock style. Here you can see the clock style. You can see the two new clock style add on your device. Also see font and color. Now here you can see different font style. Also you can see different font and color. Select the font you want to set on a device. Also change the font color. Select the font style. Here you can see only one option, show weather information. In latest One UI 7 beta you can see show date above the clock, so you can see the date also. So quite a new and amazing clock style settings on One UI 7 beta. You can also see new app and widget style. So check it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the settings. Tap on the settings. Now you can see the app and widget style in the One UI 7. This option is not available in One UI 6.1. So tap on it. Here you can increase or decrease the app size on home screen, app screen. Also show or hide app name, app labels or widget labels. Another small changes is when you open the app drawer, you can see the search bar at the bottom. In One UI 6.1 you can't find these. Also see the battery icon changes in the quick setting tiles. You can see the changes in a quick setting tiles. And you can see battery icon in this. You can also see the new notification when you swipe down notification in One UI 6.1. In One UI 7 beta you can see this type square type notification icon. You can also see the app drawer on a new 4D type icon. You can see the phone app. Here you can see the phone app icon, new calculator icon. So you can also see very changes on one of the most and the most important feature you can use is the now bar. So you need to access this feature on lock screen. Open any song on your device. So play any song on your phone. When you play song, lock your phone. At the bottom middle you can find the song. Also you can see the notification or any other important update if available on your Samsung device. So like you can also check for the tap on the notification and you can see the details about this. So this is the all changes in One UI 6 compared to One UI 7 on latest One UI 7 beta on my Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung S24 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.